और बल्लेबाजी करेंगे स्टार स्ट्राइकर्स. It's going to be the Nike Warriors to bowl first. Nike Warriors team की ओनर है पायल नाइक and Nakshita Shah is the captain. As far as star strikers is concerned, Rima Talati and Nisha Jaswani are the two owners, and Ruchita Sangvi is the captain. Hello. Hello, check. Hello, check. Straight away, a very positive decision, winning the toss and opting to bat for Star Strikers. इस पूरे टूर्नामेंट के दरमियान ज़्यादातर 90% जो भी कैप्टन्स ने टॉसेस जीते हैं वो सभी कप्तानों ने ज़्यादातर गेंदबाजी का फैसला लिया है. Shaili Jha is playing the match. So it's Manoj Bhai Kesri at the scorer's desk. He will be in charge. A warm welcome to Mr. Dipesh Nigam, our sponsor. That is Dhanlakshmi Group. स्वागत है उनका. विमेंस क्रिकेट में कंपटीशन ज्यादा होगी, चर्चा ज्यादा होगी. बहुत लंबा प्लानिंग चलता है विमेंस क्रिकेट में. Yes, sir, we have that X factor going. थोड़ा सा glamour quotient बिल्कुल अपने सीमा चरण पर है. Now that the women's matches are being on. Yes, even the girls have been practicing very hard. They have put in the hard yards. Remains to be seen how they perform now. Nike Warriors owned by Payal Naik and skippered by Akshata Shah. Star Strikers owned by Rima Talati and Nisha Jaswani and skippered by Ruchita Sangvi. Swati on strike and Dipali at the non-striking end. Body language तो कितनी perfect दर्शाई है दोनों ही batters ने. They have come out to very positive. They are conveying a message to the opponents that we are here to win the match. Shaili Jha is going to be bowling the first ball. All set. It is indeed lights, camera, action, showtime. Let's rock and roll. शाइली झा को कोई टेंशन नहीं है, लेकिन हमें टेंशन है कि मनोज भाई किस तरह से स्कोरिंग करेंगे. ऑल सेट, यस. स्टांस तो काफी अच्छा है स्वाति का. निशा जसानी. Anisha up and away with that single. She's the owner of the team alongside Rima Talati. Dipali on strike. Missing just by a whisker. She's just bowling straight, putting the ball in the right area. It's a no ball. A free hit. Good shot. Oh, a bit of a misfielding resulting in 4 runs. The first boundary. Dipali has got her team off to a good start. They already have a boundary in the first over. Not afraid to play it uppishly, but that's a safe shot at the end of the day. पहली ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद रन संख्या है 8 रन. Score after the first over, that is 8. It's going to be Swati to bowl now. Akshata comes into the deep mid-on area to field. She's the lone ranger, the only fielder in the deep. Swati. Bowling action तो बिल्कुल खतरनाक है. बेसबॉल टाइप बॉलिंग एक्शन है जो थ्रो करने के लिए बिल्कुल तैयार होते हैं. मोमेंटम मिलता है वो लीडिंग आर्म. She's got such a good batting stance. Nisha. Nisha is the co-owner of the team. Yeah, all the girls have been practicing over the last 1.5 to 2 months. They need to put it to good use. Oh, well played. Well left. 12 for 0. That's a boundary. Very difficult for Akshata to reach their important boundary. Even if she leaves the boundary, the two kids are cheering only Akshata. They are only bothered about her. Oh, that was a golden chance. Shaili Jha misses that one. She's registered so many runouts in the last 4 days on the laptop, but she misses one there in the field. 2 ओवर के बाद बहुत ही बढ़िया रन संख्या है. 17 रन हो चुके हैं. स्ट्राइक पर अब होगी दीपाली. बहुत ही बढ़िया शुरुआत. Payal Naik, the owner for Team Nike Warriors, she started her spell. All wickets in hand, off to a fabulous start. This is a dream start for Team Star Strikers. Oh, Akshata holds on to dear life. What a catch. Very well judged. -5. What a catch taken by Akshata. Well caught. प्रेशर में काफी अच्छा कैच लिया वाकई में. -5 से एक वापसी करती हुई नाइक वॉरियर्स. They are making their way back into the match. It's very important that Nike Warriors, they play some tight cricket. They should not allow the batting team to go up to more than 35 runs. On the other hand, the batting team will be looking to put up at least something like 45. That's a no ball. The new batter, Saras Gupta. Well bowled. One more free hit. Will be a wide one. End of 3 overs, 19 for 1. Dipali comes back to the non-striking end and Saras Gupta get to the striker's end. She's the new batter. Akshata is looking to put the right girls in the right places. Akshata has to be spot on with her fielding placements. And now that they have taken the super over, there will be a change in strategy maybe. The super over to be bowled by Shaili. The managing committee member of the exquisite CHSL and also a key member of the EPL. Thank you, Sucharita ji. We always get a cup of tea and bun pav in the first 10 minutes that we arrive. 10 minutes ke andar. It cannot be the 11th minute. The housekeeping guys, they are so lovely people. Oh, she picks up the catch. Shaili picks up a -10. And they are so ecstatic as if they won the trophy. मंजिल थोड़ी सी और दूर है. यही तो है विमेंस क्रिकेट का चार्म, यही है इस तरह का सेलिब्रेशन, जोश, जज्बा. As if a mission accomplished for Shailija. -10, they required that -10. अब रन संख्या 9 पे 2. The match is now in a state of equilibrium. समांतर स्थिति में है. नई बैटर रुचिता. That wasn't too far away from Payal Naik. She made an attempt. It should have been a couple of steps behind. That would have been straight down her throat. The girls in blue, that is the batting team Star Strikers, they have to build a partnership. ये दो बल्लेबाजों को अब विकेट पे थोड़ा सा रुकना होगा. She's been very tidy in this over. She's bowling really well. Well played, aggressive looking shot. With that single, the score now on to 16. क्योंकि सुपर ओवर है, रन से डबल होते हुए. Oh, और एक -10. Shaili gave a clap to the umpire. She's so happy she cannot control her. ये तो पहली बार मैं क्रिकेट में देख रहा हूँ. She's so excited. यही तो X factor है. Yes, but well bowled. Yes, 2 -10, and she can boast about it for the rest of the season. She will not let the girls forget this, nor the managing committee members. She will not let them forget this. एक अच्छी शुरुआत का इनिशिएटिव वो अब चला गया है. सीरियस क्रिकेट खेलना होगा द विमेन इन ब्लू. एक बहुत ही अच्छी शुरुआत हुई थी. दे आर स्टिल इन द गेम. द स्कोर एट द मोमेंट इज 5 for 3 आफ्टर 4 overs. A time to come back in the match. Time to be playing some serious stuff. Yes, after -20, the score is 5 for 3. They were on the cruise mode. पहले 2 overs में काफी अच्छी रन संख्या बनाई थी. Sir, wait, sir, wait, sir, wait. बाल बाल बचे सही वक्त पर वापस आए. Recovering in good time, good call. There wasn't a run in it. Oh, she drops it. She drops a sitter. 7-3. Ruchita on strike. Ruchita is playing well. She's not playing any dot balls. She's keeping the scoreboard ticking. Rima Talati also is very passionate about the game. She's been practicing hard. She body language तो बहुत ही purposeful है Rima Talati की. They need a good partnership. Well played, well fielded. That is Swati. पांच ओवर के बाद केवल 10 रन 3 विकेट के नुकसान पर. अभी भी 18 गेंद आनी बाकी और स्मार्टली खेले तो इन 18 गेंदों में 15-20 रन से बन सकते हैं. स्मार्टली खेलना होगा. Somehow they got to reach at least 25. 24-25 रन बनाना जरूरी है. रुचिता ने 6 गेंदों में 5 रन बनाए हैं और रिमा तलाटी ने 3 गेंदों में 2 रन. नेहा अग्रवाल सीनियर प्लेयर. Akshata has been brilliant in the outfield. She's already stopped a couple of good shots. She's picked up a catch. She's leading the team well. So Akshata is already in the scheme of things. Twelve for 3. Over number 6 is on. Oh, she drops a catch. She was in the perfect position to take that one. The batter survives. 13 for 3. The score will remain stationary on 14. 14 for 3. That is the shot that Rima has been practicing regularly, the sweep shot. Back home. Ruchita Sangvi back home in the nick of time. A good partnership, एक अच्छी साझेदारी They cannot afford to lose a wicket now. They have to keep going. Cannot lose a wicket. Do not want a negative marking now. They have done the hard work. After some kind of a deliberation, the ball has been given to Swati. इसके बाद का मैच स्टार स्ट्राइकर्स और सिलेक्टिव 11 के लिए, यानी कि नाइक वॉरियर्स को छोड़ स्कोर है 16 for 3 after 6. Only Naik Warriors gets a break of one match. Selective और स्टार स्ट्राइकर्स को कंसेक्यूटिव 2 मैचेस खेलने होंगे. Oh, missed opportunity. इतना easy catch भी नहीं था. A good attempt because that was timed well by Ruchita. डिक्लेयर्ड जोन में सिंगल का इशारा. बहुत ही अच्छी पार्टनरशिप है. Both these girls taking the team to some kind of a good score. A fighting total is what they want. Rima Talati is playing the innings of her life. Captain चाहे कोई भी हो, Rima Talati looks like the boss. तीन दिनों में कैमरामैन कभी भी डेंजर में नहीं था. विमेन्स क्रिकेट में कैमरामैन डेंजर में है. कितना सीरियसली खेल रहे हैं देखिए. Yes, even the boys can pick up a lesson or two. 21, yes, what a comeback. Fantastic comeback. अब ये जरूरी है कि विकेट न खोए. कम से कम 6 बार उनकी लेस निकली है, 6ठी बार निकली वो लेस. White ball, important runs being added. Welcome runs. She's mastered that shot. End of 7 overs. That is 23 for 3. Fighting total. अब विकेट नहीं खोना है. Can they do that? On the other hand, Team Nike Warriors will need a wicket. It is Captain Cool coming to bowl. Akshata. बहुत ही अटैकिंग फील्ड सजाई है. लेग साइड पर एक एक्स्ट्रा प्लेयर को रोका है. 2 एक्स्ट्रा प्लेयर्स, 4 लोग लेग साइड पर, 5 लोग. उस स्वीप शॉट को रोकने की कोशिश. चाहे कितने भी लगा लो, शॉट तो वही से निकलेगा. With that single, 24. बहुत ही अच्छा कैरेक्टर शो किया है दोनों ये बैटर्स ने, पर्पस के साथ खेलते हुए. They have got their team right back in the match. Seriously, no kidding. This is indeed good cricket. They are here to win the trophy. That is what they are conveying. Ruchita is into double figures, 11 runs she's already scored. Okay. Talati has come in all readiness. The perfect bat, napkin, everything, बिल्कुल तैयारी में. That's a no ball, 2 runs added. Important runs, important runs. ये सभी runs स्वागतार्ह है. दोनों ही टीम्स समांतर स्थिति में है. Could be anybody's game. Even Stevens, 50-50 the match at the moment. Well bowled. That is one more extra couple added. और free hit भी मिलेगी. तलाटी के लिए free hit. Runs are coming in thick and fast. 30. Even the girls know that 28, 30, 32 is defendable. They know it. Putting the pressure on the umpires. That's a scene. रिव्यू लिया अक्षता ने, चाहे प्रॉम्प्टिंग किसी ने भी की हो, लेकिन अब रिव्यू तो लिया है. दे रहा है, दुरुस्त है. भगवान बचाए हमारे थर्ड अंपायर को. टच एंड गो. द डिसीजन इज आउट. एंड अक्षता कैन नॉट बिलीव इट. ये तो केवल एक चांस लिया था अक्षता ने और वो जैकपॉट लग गया. The bat was in the air. The bat was a little in there. She had already reached, but the bat was not grounded. Ruchita, that good knock comes to when you should have dragged your bat inside. Drag करना जरूरी होता है. थोड़ा सा bat हवा में था, just an inch. But yes, what a super knock by Ruchita. अक्षता ने तो यूं ही वो कॉल ले लिया था, वो जैकपॉट भी लग गया. Shyly prompted her. मनोज भाई धर्म संकट में, लड़कियों को ना बोले तो भी कैसे ना बोले. 7.5, 25 for 4 after the subtraction. The last ball to go. Rima Talat is on strike. She's played well. She has to make sure that they do not lose a wicket here. Anuradha, the new batter. She was in the mood to argue with the umpires. Well played by Talati as such a good knock. She's waving to the crowds. 27 to win. The target 27 runs बनाने होंगे. Fighting total है. चलिए, बहुत ही अच्छा क्रिकेट मैच अभी तक देखने को मिला. The first half was interesting. Really. वो फर्स्ट हाफ ने तो मैसेज दिया है कि दोनों ही टीम्स जीतने के लिए आई है यहाँ पर. They are not going through the motions. They want the trophy.
हाँ भैया ये जूता बढ़िया है, ये पैक कर दो।
अरे पागल हो गया क्या? 13,000 में मात्र 1 रुपए कम है।
अरे उन्हीं 1 रुपए से ये जूता खरीदिया मैंने।
27 runs to win the match of 48 balls is the target for team Nike Warriors to win this match. On the other hand, team Star Strikers are defending 26. It's a very tricky score. Very tricky. The opening pair of Swati and Rajal hai. Batter Rajal hai. It's going to be Mona to open the bowling attack. Or batter strike pe. Arushi, the left-handed batter, she's on strike. Play time. This will be a very exciting second half. They have drawn up a plan. They're playing such good cricket, both the teams. They are in with an equal chance. All set, play time. Oh, that was straight to Ruchita. She almost held on to that catch. An aggressive looking shot to the very first delivery that she faced, Arushi. Swati on strike. Oh, that landed on the mat. That is unplayable. Well played. So no ball, free hit. आरुषि भूतड़ा 2 डॉट बॉल्स. अ मिनी कमबैक. पहली ओवर के समाप्ति के बाद रन संख्या है 7 रन. अभी ना कोई नुकसान की अच्छी शुरुआत. इस मैच को जीतने के लिए अब और 20 रन बनाने हैं. गेंद बाकी है वो है 42. 42 balls and 20 runs to win the match. Testing times for star strikers. That's a no ball. Unfortunately, it's a no ball, ladies. It's a no ball, but what a good catch. What a catch by Sangvi. Such a fine catch. Oh, they have taken a referral. That's a smart referral that they have taken. After that kind of a smart catch, that review, review banta tha. Both the teams have really played some fantastic cricket, and it's a proper, very good competitive match. That's a no ball. Yes, it's a no ball. It's been confirmed. So the right call. The umpire himself has taken the review. Ruchita comes into bowl. Ruchita is one of the key all-rounders. She's the mainstay. She's the kingpin player for Team Star Strikers. She's got a very important role to play here. And on the other hand, Swati is off to a good start, 5 for 5. That is the umpire's review, so nothing to worry for the fielding team. Only 2 reviews per team, whether you're batting or bowling. If you get your review right, you get 1 more. That is out. -5. Arushit. Yes, they are getting the bat down. They are not dragging the bat inside. So they're taking a while for the bat to come in. That is where they are being challenged. Exactly what the doctor ordered for the Star Strikers. -5 के साथ अब रन संख्या 4 रन 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर. Akshata Shah. Saras stops the ball in the mid-on area. She's very tensed up. गुड शॉट. अक्षता तो अपनी टीम की पॉजिटिविटी वैक्सीन है. Swati is not afraid to play the shots. Akshata can be a very swift runner. Smart running between the wickets. अक्षता तो अपना आक्रामक रंग पेश कर रही है. She is like the Virendra Sehwag of the team. She will not be afraid to play the shots. If the ball is there to be hit, she will play the shots. And that is exactly the role that has been assigned to her, that you play positive. The anchor job will be done by Akshata. Rima Talati now. Left arm over the wicket. अक्षता बहुत ही तेज भागती है, तो अक्षता को रन आउट करना इतना आसान नहीं होगा. What a knock from Swati so far. Akshata is down on the mat. They are putting in all the effort, more than 100%. वो अक्षता अगर इंजर्ड है तो भी बताएगी नहीं, मैच के बाद बोलेगी शायद, लेकिन she will not exhibit anything till the time the match is on. She wants to win the match. Fantastic contest, good contest. Rima Talati has to make sure that she does not give away any extra runs. पंद्रह पे एक. Clean ball. Rima Talati is over the moon. She is over the moon. The dangerous looking Swati is back in the pavilion. That is big fish in the net. The danger batter gone. This is exactly what they wanted. And in comes Shailija. It's time to show her all-round talent, the batting prowess. She has bowled brilliantly, Shaili, and now she's got to do the job with the bat. They've taken a referral, okay. रिव्यू लिया है शायद अक्षता ने. Good to go, legal. Everything is okay. Talati got what she wanted, -5. Though wide gain they की थी, but she makes a comeback with that wicket. All eyes on Shaili. चार दिन में इतना टेंशन में नहीं थे अंपायर्स, ये मैच में सबसे ज्यादा टेंशन में. दे कैन नॉट रिलैक्स, ऐसी हालत है उनकी. और उनको पता है इस मैच में गलती की सजा फांसी है. आउट है, आउट है. ओ आउट, -5. Shaili knew it. Shaili is already on her way back to the pavilion. She knew it. The score is 10 for 2, 2.4 overs. After the deduction, it is 5 for 2. 5 for 2 after the deduction. जब तक अक्षता विकेट पे है खतरा मंडराता रहेगा स्टार स्ट्राइकर्स पर. Akshata is capable of taking the fight to the enemy camp. Somebody has got to give a company, but it's a very good comeback in this over. जिस तरह से tension in the air. White ball. A good backup job by Saras. Everybody's in the game. All the players across both the teams, they are in the game. अच्छा क्रिकेट मैच प्रगति पथ पर है. अक्षता का साथ निभाने के लिए आई हुई है चांदनी. चांदनी इज एट द नॉन स्ट्राइकिंग एंड. Eight for 3. We are into over number 4. The target is 27. So they need 19 more. जिस तरह की अच्छी इनिंग्स खेली थी रुचिता ने, उसी तरह से अक्षता एक बहुत ही अच्छी इनिंग्स खेलती हुई. जो भी टीम प्रेशर को ज्यादा अच्छी तरह से अब्सॉर्ब करके अपना स्वाभाविक खेल खेलेगी वो टीम जीतेगी. The ball was deeping is what the umpire has indicated. It was coming down. It was not on the up. It was on the downslide. अक्षता को रन आउट करना मुश्किल ही नहीं, नामुमकिन है. स्कोर आफ्टर 4 overs 12 for 3. अब पहले 4 ओवर्स में 12 रन्स बने, आने वाले 4 ओवर्स में 15 रन्स बनाने हैं. 24 में 15. Now this is going to be a very crucial over. After some thought, Saras has been given the ball. Sandhya is now fielding in that mid-on area. The batter on strike, Akshata. They need Akshata to be on strike at most times, and she's taken the super over. The ball will now maybe come back to somebody else. She's taken the onus on herself now. Looks like Ruchita is going to be bowling the super over. Two very good players up against each other, Akshata versus Ruchita. This will be a good battle. चले तलवारें खींची गई है दोनों ही टीम्स के बीच. ऐलान जंग की यलगार दी है. बहुत ही बढ़िया क्रिकेट मैच. Both the teams on the edge of the sword. Well bowled. What a delivery. With that couple, the score on to 14. Chandini on strike. What will Chandini do here now? That is the big question. What will be her approach? Two more runs taken. 16 for 3. Sixteen for 3. The fielders of Star Strikers are very committed. They're putting in their best effort. Will it be enough? Only time will tell. The bails have not fallen. She was beaten all ends up. That reminds us of the Shane Warne delivery. Bowling her round her legs. What a turnaround of things. What a lucky stroke for Chandini. Chandini survives to fight another day. Ruchita is trying everything, but she's not getting that success. सफलता उनके हाथ नहीं लग रही. ओवर की समाप्ति 5 ओवर के बाद 20 रन 3 विकेट के नुकसान पर 18 गेंदों में केवल और 7 रन बनाने हैं. अब गेंद थमाई है सरस को. आज पैक्ड हाउस होगा. This will be a very key over. ये बहुत ही important over होगा ये वाला. That's a no ball. Playing inside the line, Chandini. Inside the line. That's a beamer. A free hit to Chandini. She didn't even attempt a stroke. कंप्लीट डेड बॉल था. चलिए कोई दिक्कत नहीं. कंप्लीट डेड था, अच्छी एफर्ट की थी, नथिंग टू वरी, इट्स अ कंप्लीट डेड बॉल. This is exactly what she needs to do. She needs to put the ball in that same area. (24) हो चुकी है रन संख्या. Akshata is on to 13 of 19 balls. Captain's knock. Too many extras in this over. She's a little tensed. She's got good potential. She's been practicing hard, but she's a little tensed. Lucky that the delivery didn't come Ruchita's way. She was 27. They've accomplished the target. 27 is what they wanted to win. They are on 27 at the moment. Yes, one has to complete all the 8 overs. A time for team Star Strikers to take a wicket and set the cat amongst the pigeons. Yes, girls, Star Strikers especially, you got to just keep an eye on the clock. We are quite behind schedule. We have 4 more matches to be playing after this. 3 girls matches, the first 3, and then 2 important matches, eliminator and qualifier number 1. Qualifier number 1 will be amongst the top 2 place teams. No ball hai. Yes, you need to understand the rules perfectly. The umpires cannot show any leeway because they are doing the job. Well bowled, very well bowled. (31) it is. What a knock from Akshata. The job is not over yet. They need to hang in, they need to dig in. Team Star Strikers need a couple of wickets to come back. The only way that Star Strikers can remain in the match is by taking at least 1 or 2 wickets. The first wrong shot that is she's attempted was straight bat से खेलना था V में. She had to offer the full face of the bat. For her final burst, in comes Rima Talati. On strike is Chandani. With that white ball, 34. At the moment, the score is 35. Not even a half chance for Saras. It was well short of her. 36 with that single. 36. Well bowled. The ball is falling in no man's land, and they have won the match. Congratulations. And Akshata has played a captain's knock. Just look at the celebrations. चलिए अगले मैच के टॉस के लिए स्टार स्ट्राइकर्स और सिलेक्टिव 11 आई है. सिलेक्टिव 11 की ओनर है कांता प्रजापति और प्रीति भंडारी कैप्टन है. रिक्वेस्टिंग प्रीति टू प्लीज कम अप.